Hi, friends. All right, so the second performance standard is instructional planning. This one is very straightforward as well. Also, one you probably think about when you think about becoming a teacher. Can you plan effective lessons when you are using the standards of learning? Can you teach to multiple groups, right? Can you plan for those differentiated lessons? So that is a class you'll be taking, differentiation here. So you will be thinking about how to best meet the needs of all the different types of students by making really great plans, right? So this is a focus on plans. And this also starts to mention the importance a little bit of using data to guide planning. So that is both using formative and summative assessments when you're thinking about that. When I think about that, I think informative, meaning it informs my instruction. So that's the kind you would use for this planning. All right, great.